Hello and welcome to my home buyer education series. I am Lisa Marie Kennedy, a realtor with Florida Life Team, and I'm here to guide you through the home buying process. As you know, purchasing a home is a great investment. It's one of the biggest purchases a person can make and may seem a bit stressful at first. So to help ease your stress, I'm going to walk you through the home buying process step by step during this video series. Please feel free to take notes as you view each video in full. Use your notes to write down questions for your loan officer, real estate agent, or any other professional you may be working with during your home buying process. As I go through the course, I want you to write down your specific goals to determine your target home, location, purchase price, and the monthly payment that you'll be comfortable with. Knowing this information before starting the home buying process will help put you at ease. I'm very excited about helping you find the home of your dreams, so let's get started.